We have made this video to demonstrate the skill and attention that is required to repair broken dentures. Despite what people may think, we don't just glue them together. The first stage in repairing the denture is to hold the pieces together. Then a model is made to line up the pieces for the repair. The pieces are then trimmed away to allow for new acrylic to be poured into the fracture area. The packed repair is then placed into a hydro flask under pressure. When cured, the denture is trimmed, ready for polishing. After polishing, the denture is placed back on the model to check it fits properly. This is the finished repair, back together as it was before the fracture took place. At our lab, all work is carried out by skilled GDC registered technicians who have many years of experience in dentistry and prosthetic construction.